Welcome to another tutorial of the Solution Journals. Today we will learn how to cancel the spam emails in your email in your Gmail. And the first thing you need to know is you can uh, block the persons who sent to you that information, that spam. And I show you what is the option for do that. So you need to go to your Gmail, and here you got your spam, your I don't know, the emails you want to delete, or you want to block. And for example, if you go to this email, you need to go to these 3 points, and here you get the option of block Netsoon. You pick here in block, and that's it. You block the that profile who sent to you the spam email. So this is the process. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Follow us for more content like this.